This is the last and final video. I'd like to summarize what you learned in this course, so you can start implementing and making more money right away. As I stated before, there's no easier or faster method of generating income than affiliate marketing for anyone just starting out. If you already own and operate your own online business, selling other people's products can create a substantial boost to your existing income. Just keep in mind, if all you're doing is directing targeted traffic through your affiliate sales link, you'll be competing on an equal level with countless other people who are promoting the same product. Super affiliates make a great deal of money selling other people's products, mainly because they market and promote them the same as they would their own products. Super affiliates often use pay-per-click as their primary method of advertising. They know they have to spend money in order to make money. While other affiliates are simply copying and pasting ads that the owner of the product has made available, super affiliates are developing their own unique and original sales content. Rather than jump on every program, product, and service that comes their way, super affiliates carefully pick and choose ones that they're confident can be marketed and promoted effectively. So don't just be an affiliate, be a super affiliate. When choosing a product, you need to establish whether or not there's a viable demand. If you don't feel comfortable with a product's website, sales copy, or order process, chances are the average viewer won't either. If you don't feel confident about the quality of a product, it's going to be difficult for you to launch a successful promotional campaign. You need to have the ability to track and monitor everything related to your affiliate activities. To locate good affiliate programs, you can conduct searches based on a particular niche market, sign up to use the services of an affiliate marketing network, or search through the categories of affiliate program directories. Affiliate marketing websites like Commission Junction, ClickBank, and JVZoo make it extremely easy to locate good affiliate programs. These are products that are highly compatible with your niche or target audience. Commission Junction offers all ranges of products, services, and programs, both digital and tangible. ClickBank and JVZoo only handle digital products such as ebooks, video courses, membership sites, software, etc. Remember, it's always best to use your own website to promote and pre-sell your affiliate products. One of the most effective tactics is to write personal product reviews and recommendations. With a niche blog, you can reach an unlimited number of people who would be interested in the type of products you're promoting. There's no better way to get personal recognition than writing and distributing your own articles. One of the best methods for outselling other affiliates is to enhance the owner's original product package with yet another product bonus at no extra cost. Deliver advice, tips, and information along with specific details about the related product and your affiliate link. Encourage viewers to sign up for your mailing list so you can contact them over an extended period of time, continuing to give them valuable tips and information about the product. You can achieve much better results by writing your own ads, writing fresh sales copy, and creating new banners and images. The primary advantage of ClickBank and JVZoo, aside from the fact that they're both a virtual goldmine for affiliates, is the inner simplicity of finding and promoting high-converting, money-making products. Lastly, if you're spending money on advertising, then promoting ClickBank or JVZoo affiliate products with Bing and Yahoo advertising is a fast and easy way to get traffic. Regardless of what method you choose for traffic generation, the key is to take action. Put this information to use and start making commissions today. Best of luck to you.